Michael, do you think that there's a chance or a point that the defense can go too far? Because they are picking out all of these things. I know they want it all to equal reasonable doubt, but they're asking about the butt dial. They've asked about the dog being rehomed 4 months later, and they showed that video of them roughhousing inside of the bar. They want it all to equal murder or cover-up, but I don't know if they're going to be able to get there to really connect the two. But is the jury turned off by just finding so many little things and saying, oh, you dropped your gum that day. Isn't that strange? Why did you do that?
Yeah, I think the jury will. I think this jury came in here with the weight of an entire community on their back. That community is different. They're unique. Their mistrust of their police and their institutions is the worst I've ever seen, right? So what I'm cognizant of is the fact that this is still the prosecution's case, and so the defense don't really have the right to call things in the order they want. They simply have to pick at what the prosecution does. The prosecution has choreographed not only their witnesses, but the order of which they call their witnesses. They've choreographed it carefully because they know what the defense's playbook is. Everybody's known the defense's playbook for months now, right? So I think once the defense brings on their own case, they're going to be able to go after the meaty evidence that they have, which is the pictures of the arm, the dog bites on the arm. They're going to be able to go after that in the order and in the sequence that they want, right? Right now, they're stuck with the sequence that the prosecution has curated and choreographed. So for that reason, I think I'm gonna reserve my ultimate judgment until the defense puts on their case. But yes, I agree with you, Julia. For now, it's not really this grand hallmark storybook, moment.